Welcome to the blame game. Whose fault is it anyway? This week's topic, balancing your workload. As an automotive service advisor, your role is crucial in providing quality service and ensuring customer satisfaction. Juggling multiple customer appointments, repair orders, and follow-ups can be challenging, but with effective workload management strategies, you can excel in your profession. In today's video, we will explore some tips to help you balance your workload while maintaining top-notch service and leaving a lasting positive impression on your customers. Prioritize and schedule wisely. One of the key aspects of managing a busy workload is prioritization. Evaluate each customer's needs and determine the urgency and complexity of their repairs. Schedule appointments accordingly, allowing adequate time for each service while avoiding overbooking. By organizing your schedule strategically, you can optimize efficiency and ensure you have ample time to address customer concerns promptly. Effective communication. Communication is the foundation of exceptional customer service. Regular and clear communication with customers helps build trust and ensures they are well informed throughout the service process. Keep customers updated on the status of their repairs, estimated completion times, and any unexpected delays. Be proactive in seeking clarifications and updating customers promptly. A satisfied and informed customer is more likely to recommend your repair shop to others. Streamline workflow processes. Identify opportunities to streamline your workflow processes to enhance productivity. Automate repetitive tasks such as sending appointment reminders or follow-up messages using customer relationship management software or other digital tools. Embrace technology to improve efficiency and reduce manual errors, freeing up time for more important tasks. Delegate and collaborate. Remember that you are part of a team, and delegating tasks when appropriate can alleviate your workload. Collaborate effectively with technicians, service managers, and other staff members to ensure seamless coordination. Delegating certain administrative duties can help you focus on customer interactions and provide personalized attention. Foster relationships. Building strong relationships with customers is essential for long-term success. Take the time to understand their individual needs, preferences, and concerns. Be attentive and empathetic, actively listening to their questions and addressing any doubts or uncertainties they may have. By establishing rapport, you can create a positive experience that extends beyond a single visit and fosters customer loyalty. Continuous learning and improvement. The automotive industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and advancements emerging regularly. Stay updated on the latest trends, service techniques, and industry standards. Attend training programs, workshops, and industry events to enhance your knowledge and skill set. By continuously learning and improving, you can provide better recommendations and guidance to customers, boosting their confidence in your expertise. Balancing a demanding workload as an automotive service advisor can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it is entirely achievable. Prioritizing, effective communication, streamlining processes, delegation, relationship building, and continuous learning are key components for success. By implementing these practices, you can ensure quality service, customer satisfaction, and ultimately the growth and success of your shop. Remember, a happy customer is a loyal customer, and your dedication to providing exceptional service will be rewarded in the long run. Thanks for joining us. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other platforms for valuable content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.